Hello everyone, and meet the LAMPICK Automatic Cat Feeder, designed to simplify your pet care routine today. This smart dispenser lets you schedule 6 meals daily with up to 15 8-gram portions per serving. The double lock lid and desiccant bag keep dry food fresh and crunchy for every single meal. Its 4-liter tank holds enough food for 20 days and features a clog-free steep slope design. Dual power options ensure your cat never misses a meal, even during unexpected home power outages. You can quickly disassemble the entire unit in 3 simple steps for easy and healthy cleaning. This reliable feeder is the perfect assistant for busy owners who want happy and healthy pets always. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.